Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your nose up. Baby, I'm with it, if you with it, and what's the hold up? I just need to know what you get in when I roll up. I just need to know, just need to know. Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your nose up. Baby, I'm with it, if you with it, and what's the
y'all, just waking up, but I told you I was gonna give y'all a video of me bleaching my hair and dyeing it. So I decided just to vlog my day throughout the process and what leads up to it and what happens afterwards. So right now I need to do my morning routines and get ready because my friend Mari, who's bleaching my hair, is gonna come pick me up so we can go run a couple errands and do some things with her before we actually bleach my hair. So I'll be back when I brush my teeth, you know, do the morning routine. Right, guys, I'm back. I just did my morning routine, you know, the real basic, simple stuff. Now, Mari just texted me and said she's on the way, so when she pulls up, we'll be ready to start the day. Mari is here. I am in the car, so yes, let's get it started. All right, you guys, we're gonna head out. She has to get her hair fixed because...
All right, we ain't got that.
But yeah, after that, we're gonna go to the beauty store and get the bleaching shit. And then get Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna eat. So, I know you don't want to see me in the car, so we're gonna start the video here. We are done with her hair. Look at her, bad bitch. Look at this. Oh, she looks good though.
It's okay.
You still look good. So we about to go get some Chick-fil-A because I did promise Big Head while I was in college that I was gonna get her some Chick-fil-A. So you know.
Should we eat there to kill time?
Should we eat there to kill time?
Yeah.
We can eat. All right.
Sometimes it's a long road.
So, all right, y'all. We just got out of Chick-fil-A. We're gonna head to Sally's to see if they have the stuff I need to bleach my hair and dye my hair. If not, ooh, girl, it's dark over here. Ain't no sunlight. All right, so we just came from Sally's. I don't know where the sign is, but this lady was really helpful. So she said that I should be able to go platinum because I was worried about my roots because they're really dark. But she said I should be able to go platinum in one shot. So we'll see how this goes. And then I'm gonna dye it lavender. Have my friend Mari. We're gonna have to see how this goes, y'all. If it doesn't work out,
Go bald.
I'm gonna have to shave it all off before I go to school.
Shave it all off.
Where's the car? Oh, there it is. Uh-oh, losing my sunlight. But, so we're about to get in the car and then probably start the video back when I get home and about to bleach and dye my hair. All right, guys, I was about to actually bleach my hair and get started, and I realized I don't have no Vaseline for my edges, and I wouldn't want to burn my edges like I did last time. So we're gonna head to this Family Dollar up the street and get some Vaseline. So yeah. We're doing good. Where's the Vaseline even at?
Oh, yeah, I got the lotion. Stop yawning, you're careful.
Girl, this ain't lotion. Why did we walk right by it?
What lotion?
Okay, girl. We in here, don't know. Okay. What about... Dude, what's the difference in the dollar price? $3.50, $2.75. Okay. We'll pay $3.50 for this. Got my Vaseline. Let's get it. That's the worst lotion ever.
My girl get that shit in her car like it work.
This is the worst lotion.
Can I lie? Can I fucking lie?
This is the worst lotion. Like, of all lotions, that's the worst. Let's get it. Where's he at? All right, you guys, we are back. I got the Vaseline for my edges. Also, I'm gonna use Prism Lights. I've never used it before, but the lady said this would give me like instant like white.
You want.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm gonna try this. have my 40 developer, which is going to go with the bleach. So that's going to be my first step. After that, we're going to see if my hair is the color I want. So if it's not the white that I want, I'm going to bleach it again sometime this week. If it is, we're going to go to step 2, which is going to be the permanent dye. So the Ion, which is the Sally brand, and the 10 developer. So we're going to get started.
Oh, that's perfect. That's cute. Okay. It's on purple? Oh, my duck is. That shit was funny.
You said what?
That representation movie.
Oh my God, girl.
Oh, it hurt. That shit was funny. Oh, baby. I look so much better now. Yeah. She want everything. Everything bleach.
Yep.
Oh, you look fat, mom.
Not that, Mom. She bring fat Mom up.
You see that post with Ray J? He's like, damn, you got a fat mom. That shit took me out.
Talk through it.
That nigga fat mom was fast food.
Wait, the nigga has fat Mom?
You see Ray J?
I did not.
I think I screenshot it. You don't let me probably sitting down on the table in his drawers. He look like a fat mom for real. That shit is fat fuck. How you walking?
Girl, Ray J's on this.
You fucking clean.
I think I got on my edge. I don't know.
You good? You good? You should be good.
I'm good.
I never got my hair dyed. This shit stank.
Stinks too.
I'm like bleach, like the hair products shit.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you know how you do that me? Anyway, hello y'all. It's me, Amari Nicole. You know, follow me on Instagram. I took over. I took over.
This is Nicole TV, guys.
Oh.
I hate smell.
It's strong. Speaking of shit, that can go for a while.
I had to do it. I was bleaching when my girl was on. My mom was bleaching and she left her. Your mom cannot walk on. But she got hot.
It stinks.
I hate
That excite me. He says my pussy. It's the in it. Do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire. Pussy pricey. He says my pussy. My pussy. Cause I'm a millionaire. This pussy pricey.
What is that? You know my bad. I need this too. Why? They don't give a fuck. What you do? I don't got that titty fuck. I fuck on the back of shit ass. You know I give it up. I'm cool. Bitch, I'm pressure. Tell me it's a 300 man. Look she talk. Look she talk. She says. I heard she ended up like speeding this up. So some like really fast.
Oh yeah, this is like 45 minutes from myself.
Oh, you didn't die.
This shit turning.
I also found out I could take it. Yeah, it was your birthday. Girl, I drank 2 wine coolers, had like 4 shots of Palm and then I had so many gin and vodka shots. I can't remember that. And then I had like 4 or 5 jello shots. I mean, you can tell I was drunk. I wasn't just like throwing up and crazy. Get the hell off. So I have to get in my bed like I'm going. And I know my tolerance. And it's like, you know what? I'm not. Well. Alright. Not black and white. Oh my god. I was scared this is completely damaging.
She's one got salon at the ladies market. And she's This one ain't quick though.
In like 30, 40 minutes. And this is what it looks like right now. We're finna wash it out. And hopefully it's the right color. Because if it's not, I'm gonna scream. So, yeah. Time to see what it look like, y'all. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. She over here laughing. She is laughing, y'all. It probably looks a hot mess. See, okay, we're gonna... Oh my God!
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Do y'all see this shit? It's like white, orange, and yellow. Y'all. Which, I don't know. Y'all. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, give me time to think. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. All right, y'all. So it was a hot mess. So we went back to the store. I'm gonna bleach it again.
You gonna learn today. You gonna learn today.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping. Now, I know they don't recommend bleaching it twice in one day, but you know, I have short hair, so if it does get fucked up, all we're gonna do is cut it off and do it again. So we're gonna bleach it again and see how this goes. So, yeah. I don't know how long this has been in my head, but it's starting to burn, and I don't think that's a good time. So Mari's gonna wash this stuff out, and we got this, which is supposed to neutralize the shampoo. So yeah, we're gonna. Do y'all hear this bitch? Why are you making? Oh, you want Oreos? Yeah, you can have them. So yeah, we're gonna wash this out my head. Hey, wash. Let me stop for real. It's starting to burn. Oh. Yeah, let's go. Zoom. Here, don't use this. Wait, where's my getting? Oh, the toner.
Okay, pre-bleach knots, because I know how to know it. Yeah. In the bathroom. No, yeah, slide. I need to take off. Say goodbye to that dog hair look and hello to the beautiful natural looking pictures and styles. I need that.
That's why I say 3 uses. This shit is sticky.
And put the shit on.
Hey, this shit low-key fine.
You got some roots too?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them. This shit.
My shit don't look right when I'm in the when I do myself, so I can take the shit off. But that's why I'm eating on my ladies. Last but not least.
Alright, you guys, it is about 11 something, and I was laying down and I realized I hadn't showed y'all what my hair looked like after the bleaching catastrophe and me actually dyeing my hair the purple color. So I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. If I can get this nut, so you know what, forget the nut. So, yeah. So this is not a wave check, don't have any waves, so yeah. But this is the color. It's not terrible. So I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow, and we'll see what it looks like after I get my hair cut and everything straightened up. Wish me luck, you guys. So yeah, gonna call it a night and probably continue this vlog until tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, you guys. After the bleaching catastrophe and me dyeing my hair and getting a haircut, I finally somewhat got the color I wanted and how I want it to look. So let me show you the final product to show you that it wasn't a complete fail. So yes, that's basically what it looks like. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see some more videos, you know, comment below.
Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, this some 5-star dick. She a big old freak, it's a must that I